Hi there, it's Amelia with WTI. If you love to bake and you want to save money at the same time, this is the perfect product for you. These are the Amazon Basics reusable silicone round baking cups. I love them because they are easy to use and of course you save a lot of your time and a lot of your money. They are efficient and beautiful as it has 6 colors. I use them a lot for baking cupcakes, and as you can see the material is so good that they don't burn, and even after using them many times they don't lose color. They are also practical as they are the perfect size. They are easy to wash and you can use them over and over again with the confidence that they will not release toxic substances. If you want to reuse your products and you want to have the perfect cupcakes, the Amazon Basics reusable silicone round baking cups are the perfect for you. So I recommend it 100%, and that's my point of view.